How to fix Discord mobile stream zoomed in. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you different ways that I could suggest for you to be able to fix your Discord mobile stream zoom in. So what that means is basically if you're trying to view a media or a image or a video and it's zoomed in like this one and you can read the entire thing. So to be able to fix this, either you delete the photo that your friend has sent you and ask them to resend it to you, or you can ask them to send it in a different format if you're having issues with that. There are different formats with images, of course. For example, JPEG, PNG, maybe it's having issues with a specific file format. If that does not work, maybe you're having issues with your Discord itself. So what you could do with your Discord is you could either reinstall it or even clear the entire data. Although I think the one that would work the most or work best is reinstalling it, because that would reset and the entire setting of your Discord. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.